Welcome back, everyone. Sean Stevens here again with Metroplex Mortgage Services and another USDA Loan Pro video quick tip. What are USDA flood zone requirements? How do FEMA Flood Maps impact USDA loan eligibility? In today's video, I will share with you the details regarding USDA flood zone requirements and how to navigate the qualifying process. Now, before we get started, don't forget to take advantage and download our USDA Blueprint for Success with the link below. This free guide is designed to walk you through the USDA process step by step and is a great tool for both homebuyers and realtors alike. USDA flood zone requirements for properties located in a special flood hazard area are different for existing dwellings versus new or proposed construction properties. And in today's video, we will only be covering USDA flood zone requirements for those existing dwellings. However, if you do have any USDA new construction questions, please call my team so we can assist. Existing dwellings are eligible under the USDA Rural Housing Guaranteed Program only if flood insurance through FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program is available for the community, and flood insurance, whether through the National Flood Insurance Program, Write Your Own, or private flood insurance as approved by the lender, is purchased by the borrower. Remember, it is important to note that USDA guidelines also provide flexibility for other structures in state. Flood insurance is not required for any additional structures that are located on the property, but are detached from the primary residential structure and do not serve as a residence, such as sheds, garages, or other ancillary structures. When dealing with USDA flood insurance coverage requirements, guidelines state that flood insurance must cover the lesser of the outstanding principal balance of the loan or the maximum amount of coverage allowed under FEMA's National Flood Insurance Program. Further, certain deductibles must also be met, and unless a higher amount is allowed by state or federal law, which includes FEMA policies, the maximum deductible clause for a flood insurance policy should not exceed the greater of $1,000 or 1% of the face amount of the policy, or the minimum deductible offered by the borrower's chosen insurance carrier. Existing dwellings for the Single-Family Housing Guaranteed Loan Program are eligible if flood insurance is available. Key takeaways from our topic today. While it can be confusing, don't let the details overwhelm you. Just remember that USDA flood zone guidelines have greatly improved over the years. And while it is possible to qualify for a USDA loan with a property located in a flood zone, insurance coverage requirements must be met along with obtaining certain deductibles. And before we go, I just want to thank everyone for their continued referrals and trusting us with all of your mortgage needs. Remember to just call or email to discuss your scenario and let us show you the Metroplex difference. As always, I want everyone to make it a great day and look forward to seeing you right here for the next tip of the week.